So here we are today, changing a sending unit in an L5P Duramax. Got the bed all removed, 8 bolts in the bed, and then we're just going to come up here to the fuel tank on the driver's side, and we're going to pop this O-ring loose on top of this lock nut loose on top of the tank. You need a flathead screwdriver. You just hit it. I'm already losing it, so I can do this quickly. And then you pop this one loose, which is your electrical. And then there's some clips. You just pull those up, pull that line loose, another clip, pull that up. I already have it off. You pull that line back, and then there's a pipe clamp on this one. Undo that, have that one off, and you just pull the sending unit out, and there you have it.